I'm doing a short review of this Life Strong Hair Fix hair coloring shampoo. It's 35 ml and I bought this at SM department store. It's only worth 69 pesos. Not that expensive kaya gusto ko i-try. One pack comes with a pair of gloves. And what I like about this product is it's ammonia free and it says it's enriched with olive oil extract. So, gagamit ako ng dalawang hair color, dalawang sachet color chestnut brown. Tignan ko kung kaya niyang tablan yung mga gray hair. Nakakatipid ako pag ako ang nagkukulay. Kaya lang hindi pulido. Ibabad ko siguro mga 5 minutes bago ko i-shampoo lahat sa buhok. So this is the result after 1 hour. Dapat siguro mas darker shade ang pinili ko. Pero na-cover naman niya yung white hair. Ang tapang ng kulay. Baka lalo sa umaga to.